have a Trirex equipped with an ice platform. The ice platform is a great solution for any kind of emergency situation. It allows you to store your MSDS, your heat kit, your first aid kit, bloodborne pathogens, all in this watertight box. Gives you a place for 6 fire extinguishers and 1 5-gallon water jug. The cart itself is a base model Trirex. You can do fall arrest for 3 people, fall restraint for 2 people. The cart weighs approximately 997 pounds. The footprint of the cart is actually less than a 315-pound man walking around a roof is the same amount of pressure that we're putting on the roof with this cart. Next we have our X-Calibur. Our X-Calibur is going to be a 1-person fall arrest cart. The idea behind this is a maintenance style cart. It allows 1 person to go out and do maintenance on a perimeter of a roof. It allows you to be tied off. The tie off points are going to be here, underneath. It's a very maneuverable cart. Works like a wheelbarrow. Push down, lift up. Now you're ready to be transported. They all have a claw. So all my carts are going to have a claw underneath them for fall arrest. That's how we stop the fall. Next is going to be my Saber. This one is actually equipped with a rescue system. The Saber is going to be 2 fall arrests, 1 fall restraint simultaneous. It allows for us to put a rescue on it as well. Rescue is a on-site rescue plan that allows you to recover someone in case you have a fall need to be recovered from.
Sure. And this one, so that rescue unit on the Trirex there, that is more universal. This one is specific.
This is just for the Saber. Yep, the rescue on the Trirex right here, that is more universal. You can put the base of it on a R1000, a Stinger, and a Trirex. With the rescues is we're breaking out those options now. So if someone's ordering the rescue for an R1000, we need to know it's for an R1000. If they're ordering for an old Stinger, we need to know it's for an old Stinger. So what we have here is our new battery that is to replace a generator on the roof. This is a 220 volt battery system that will allow the user to actually run a Leicester auto welder for 8 hours straight on 1 charge. It offers 110, 220. It's recharged right here using an EV port. We have a 220 outlet here, integrated air compressor, integrated outlets. Can be used for both 110, 220, maintain power during the daytime. So you can literally run this all day, charge it overnight, and gives you incredible power options on the roof.
What does it weigh?
About 600 pounds. We do have a ballasted roof anchor point. The ballasted roof anchor point allows for 1 person in fall arrest. It's a convenient mobile solution to be able to have your arrest on a isolated area without being able to get access to a cart. You got a swivel tie off here. Each arm is removable. Makes it easy to disassemble and move from site to site. You can either fold them up or you can take everything off and each piece is independent.
Oh, okay.
So that way you could...
So you can like literally take it apart.
Oh yeah. You literally could backpack it up 1 piece at a time. It would take you 2 days, but you could do it.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at bigrocksupply.com for roofing and construction tools and equipment.